Congratulations on having plowed through this series of tutorials. Let's take a few minutes to review what you have accomplished. Hopefully, these tutorials have helped you, the citizen scientist amateur, learn how to use satellite imagery to track changes in the extent and condition of vegetation land cover. We used 3 tools to monitor land cover extent and condition. We used satellite imagery produced by Landsat 8 and 9 satellites and used USGS Earth Explorer to access Landsat images. We processed the images with QGIS, a free and popular open source software offering a broad range of mapping and spatial analysis tools. Hopefully, the step-by-step QGIS tool walkthroughs provided you with enough information to produce each tutorial output. This tutorial series covered a region of interest containing over 4,700 acres of protected lands grouped into 3 areas. The unique features of this region provide impetus for monitoring changes in vegetation, extent, and condition. Now let's quickly review each tutorial in the series. Upon providing an overview of the series in the first tutorial section, the second section showed how to download Landsat images of our example region of interest. Here are the 6 spectral bands that you downloaded, with a summary of the primary use of each band. After downloading the image spectral bands, you loaded the images into a QGIS project and then scaled and corrected the images for processing by the next tutorial. You scaled the images to convert the pixel integer values to decimal values in the range -1 to 1, and then corrected any values that fell outside of this range. In the fourth tutorial, you calculated 3 vegetation indices that provide information about the condition of vegetation covered by our satellite images. Each of the 3 indices that you calculated has particular uses and benefits which can aid in monitoring vegetation extent and condition. You then used a QGIS clustering algorithm to distinguish among various land cover types in a selected region of interest. For the region of interest used in this series of tutorials, 5 clusters appear to capture the major land cover types. We concluded the tutorial series by showing how to use the results of the preceding tutorial to estimate extent and condition of the land cover types in our region of interest. Please note that this series of tutorials would not have been possible without the generous assistance of staff at the USGS Earth Resources Observation and Science Center. If you have questions on how to use Landsat data, contact their customer service. All Landsat data used here courtesy of the U.S. Geological Survey. Thanks for watching this tutorial series. See the description below for links to all of the tutorials in the series.